Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, September 29th. You know what we do on Wednesdays? We dig purple potatoes, Ruth Stout style. Come on, let's see what we get. Now, if you remember when we planted these, we just did a trench right here. So I think this is going to go pretty easy. Let's see where this plant is. But just like with the deep mulch, all we're going to do is grab the plant and pull it up. See if we got anything. With all the deep mulch, we just grab it and gently pull it up. Let's see what we get. Look at that. These purple potatoes don't get real big, but there's a bunch of them. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I made a mistake. They do get kind of big. That's nice. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got a bunch. There you go. Raining purple potatoes. It's just raining purple potatoes. Wow. These are going to be so nice. See, when you plant the deep mulch, all you got to do is grab the plant, pull it up, and it'll rain potatoes on you. Look at that. These are great. All right, before we go too much further, there's one. Oh. Digging root crops is just like digging for treasure. You never know what you're going to find. Sometimes they just pop right off. These were ready to harvest. There you go. There's a patch. There's a patch of purple potatoes. See how easy that comes up out of the deep mulch? No digging, no sweating. Just take hold of your plant, gently pull it up. And you kind of shake it off. Reveals all the potatoes. Kind of raining potatoes. Okay, that's not so bad. Let's see if there's anything left in there. Yep. Having these purple potatoes is kind of contrast, is kind of dark, but if you remember, when we planted these, all we did was pull the mulch back to the soil, set the potatoes down, and covered them up. And you see how easy it is to harvest these. There's a purple potato. There's another. Just like the sweet potatoes, you got to go back and check. But they're not going to be too far from where the plant is. I'm going to have purple mashed potatoes for the holidays. You can do this too. It's really easy. And next year, we intend to plant every other week so we can have harvests like this coming all summer long. We got some cilantro that's going to be inside the cold frame. While we're out here, I'm going to go ahead and take these beets. Yeah, that's nice. You gotta love volunteer plants. I want to thank you for stopping by the garden and playing in the dirt with me. Just a couple minutes, you get a bowl full of purple potatoes. We only have a few sweet potatoes left to dig. Well, more than a few. I hope you join us for that. Now, if you want to see how to plant potatoes in the deep mulch, click that link right there. You want to see how to plant beets? Click that link right there. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.